everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be making crispy oven-baked chicken wings. Normally we would do them in our rotisserie on our Kamado Joe. It's raining, it's cold here, we're all really craving some wings, so we're gonna go ahead and do them in the oven. With Super Bowl coming up also, this is a great, easy recipe. There's just 2 of you, or if you're having people over and serving a crowd, this is a really easy recipe. Let's go ahead and get them ready. All right guys, so there are 2 tricks to making chicken wings nice and crispy in the oven. The first is actually patting them dry with a paper towel before getting your rub on there. And the second is baking powder, not to be confused with baking soda. So that's really what's gonna get these nice and crispy. So we're just going to go ahead, pat these dry. Our oven is preheating at 425 degrees. Let's just set this up here. These are fine. Let's get these in here. We have 4 pounds of chicken wings. We're gonna add our baking powder and we're going to add our Killer Bee honey rub here, which is really good. I like to use that on wings. So let's just go ahead and add that. Add our baking powder. And we're gonna go ahead and dry our second pack here, add it, and then we'll be back when we're mixing it all up. Okay, I just went ahead and put the last package on there. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit more of Cosmo's Killer Bee honey rub on there. And then we're just gonna go ahead and toss these all together. They should fit on this pan here that I have. Let's see if we can. There we go. Get this all over, nice and delicious, all mixed in. Great. So now that our oven is preheated, we're gonna go ahead and take some nonstick spray our grate, and then we are going to place our wings on here. And there we go. We're going to bake them for 25 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them on here. All right, we will go ahead and get these on our pan and then get them in the oven. Alrighty, our chicken wings are on our trays. I had to go ahead and get a second one because we made so many. We are going to pop these in our preheated oven, and we're gonna go ahead and set our timer for 25 minutes. And then we will go ahead and check on these bad boys and we will flip them at that time. All right guys, we are going to open our oven. And this is what our first 25 minutes looks like on our chicken pieces. We're gonna go ahead and flip these over. Look how nice and juicy those are. And once we flip these over, we're gonna bake them for 25 more minutes. Alrighty, our chicken wings are all done. We're going to pull these guys out. They look delicious and crispy, and put them on our platter. These baked for 25 minutes on one side, we flipped them, and we baked another 25 minutes on the other side. That's what they look like, super crispy and delicious. Let's go ahead and get them on our platter, and we'll see what we look like then. And there you have it, crispy oven-baked chicken wings. If you like this video, please subscribe.